Hi, everybody. It is time for story time. My body is in my learning spot. Let's check our bodies. Thumbs up. My body's in my learning spot. My eyes are on my screen. Do you see my book today and your teacher, Miss Roth? Thumbs up. You're looking at your screen. My ears, touch your ears. Touch your ears. My ears are listening to my teacher. My hands, wiggle your fingers, show me your hands. My hands are calm and gentle. My lips are zipped. When it's my turn to listen, it is not my turn to talk. Today's book today is so silly and so funny. It is set in springtime. Can you say that with me? Springtime. We've been talking about spring. Can you tell me what spring is? Let me write it on a piece of paper so that we're also looking at the word. Can you tell me what spring is? It starts with the letter S, P, R, I, N, G. What is spring? Springtime. Oh, I hear some friends giving me their answers. Spring is happening right now in where we live in Michigan. Spring comes after winter when it's cold and snowy, and spring is when everything grows. All the trees, all the flowers, all the grass. Also, it's when lots of birds lay eggs in their nests. It's when we get lots of baby sheep and goats and bugs come up out of the ground. It's awesome. So today's book is set in springtime and its title is The Three, show me three fingers. 1, 2, 3. The Three Billy Goats and Gruff. This is a book about three little goats. My author is Robin Coots, and he also drew the pictures. He's the illustrator. And this is a fairy tale. So this one is fiction. Yesterday, we read nonfiction. That was true. This is fiction. It's just pretend. All right, let's read it. The three billy goats lived in a meadow. Everyone was friendly except for a troll who lived next to the bridge. Let's count how many goats we see on our page. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And who's that other little animal? Oh, it's a bunny rabbit. The troll usually stayed inside his house, but on the first day of spring, he always came outside. He would pace back and forth over the bridge, yelling the same thing over and over. Here's what he yelled. I want you all for dinner! That's not very nice. So on the first day of spring, everyone just stayed away from the bridge. Would you stay away from that troll? Yeah, me too. One spring day, the three goats found yummy flowers in a field across the bridge. They were so full after eating flowers all day that they decided to spend the night. What did those goats eat? Yeah, they ate all those flowers. That's what they ate. The next morning, as the littlest goat tromped across the bridge, the troll yelled, Where do you think you're going? I'm going home, said the little goat. First, I'm going to have you for dinner, said the troll. My brothers are coming, cried the little goat. Good, said the troll. I will have them for dinner too. They will butt you with their horns, said the little goat. Well, thanks. Well, that's the thanks I get, grumbled the troll. Why are you so grumpy? Asked the little goat. You said you were going to eat us. I did not, cried the troll. Every summer the same thing happens, said the troll. I tell everyone to come for dinner, and they ignore me. Just then the other billy goats saw their little brother with the troll. They put their heads down and charged at the troll. Oh no! Stop, yelled the little goat. Mr. Troll just wants to have us over for dinner, said the little goat. My name is Gruff, said the troll. Would you please join me for dinner? The three billy goats and Gruff had a tasty meal. Soon everyone found out that Gruff was a fantastic cook. His yearly dinner party became famous throughout the land. Oh no, friends! What was the miscommunication? They were confused. They thought that the troll wanted to eat them. Everybody was so scared of the troll. They would not go talk to him or be his friend. Why? Because they thought he wanted to eat them, but he didn't. What did the troll want to do? Yeah, he wanted to have friends over for dinner to hang out with his friends. So he needed to use his words and he needed to tell the goats that he wanted them to come over for dinner. That's what they thought. Why was the troll so grumpy? Why was the troll so grumpy? Yeah, he didn't have any friends. His friends weren't coming over whenever he asked them to come for dinner. He thought they were being unkind. Have you ever not understood something somebody said to you? A misunderstanding when you talk to somebody? That's why we've got to explain. Sometimes teachers don't understand too. A friend will say something to me about maybe they want to make a boat with Play-Doh, and that's not what they meant. So I say, oh no, we can't make a boat with Play-Doh today. And they say, Mrs. Roth, that's not what I was saying. And I say, oh, thank you for explaining to me. That's what happened in our book today. Okay, I will see you later for our next activity. Thank you for reading our story. Bye.